my previous videos, I explained how AI actually works, from algorithms to deep learning to neural networks. Now it's time to move from theory to reality. In this video, we're going to look at how AI is already impacting our lives as individuals, how it's changing the job market, and, most importantly, how we can use it to improve ourselves instead of harming ourselves. This isn't about hype, and it's not about fear. It's about understanding where AI really fits into our daily lives and how to get real value from it. Is AI taking our jobs? This is one of the most common questions people ask today, and the honest answer is yes. Jobs are already being affected, but not always in the way people imagine. According to major economic reports, millions of jobs worldwide have already been lost or reshaped, and a large share of the global workforce is now impacted by AI in some form. And when I say impacted, I don't just mean layoffs. In many cases, AI has changed how people work day to day. Sometimes it improves productivity, sometimes it increases pressure, and sometimes it removes parts of the job entirely. The most affected roles so far are software and technical coding roles, banking and back office finance positions, and customer service and support jobs. But this doesn't mean AI is replacing humans entirely. In fact, I strongly believe AI will never replace us, as long as we understand it for what it really is, a tool. I've mentioned this many times in my previous videos. AI is not intelligence in the human sense. It doesn't think, it doesn't decide, and it doesn't take responsibility. It simply processes information and produces output. Think about when humans first created engines. Engines didn't replace us. They allowed us to move faster, to go farther, and to reach places we could never reach on foot. AI is very similar. Used correctly, it can help us improve our skills, access massive amounts of information for free, identify our weaknesses, and even create new ways to generate income. This brings us to how people actually use AI. And like everything else in life, there is good and there is bad. AI is no different. Some people are already using AI in harmful ways. For example, AI is being used to spread misinformation on social media, fake images, fake videos, fake news that looks real. Hackers are also using AI to automate attacks, write malicious code faster, and target people more efficiently. And now, we're even seeing AI being used in military and war-related systems. On the other hand, many people are using AI in positive and productive ways. They use it to learn faster, to improve their skills, to become more efficient at work. AI is also driving real progress in technology, science, and medicine, from helping doctors analyze medical data to supporting research to creating tools that improve everyday life. The difference is not the technology itself, the difference is how we choose to use it. So, how can you use AI to improve yourself instead of hurting yourself? First, don't use AI to replace your thinking. Use it to support your thinking. Ask it to explain things you don't understand. Use it to break down complex topics. Use it to learn faster, not to avoid learning. Second, use AI to identify your weaknesses, skills you're missing, areas where you struggle, gaps in your knowledge. Then work on them consciously. And finally, use AI to create value, to build, to improve your work, to solve real problems. When you use AI this way, it becomes a multiplier, not a shortcut, and definitely not a replacement for you. In the long term, AI should be seen the same way we see any powerful tool. It won't decide our future for us. We will. The people who benefit from AI won't be the ones who use it the most, but the ones who use it with intention. AI will continue to evolve. Jobs will continue to change, and new opportunities will continue to appear. The real risk is not AI itself. The real risk is becoming passive, stopping learning, and outsourcing your thinking. If you stay curious, keep learning, and use AI as a tool to grow, it can amplify what makes you human, not replace it. If you want clear explanations of AI and technology without hype or jargon, subscribe to AI and Tech Explained.